Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change your screenshot format on Mi phones. Okay, so all you need to do, just grab your phone, then proceed to do a screenshot with the volume down button and a power up button. And as you see, you did a screenshot, then click on the screenshot. Wait a second, I will do another one. Then click on the screenshot, and all you need to do, just click this button, this icon, to share it, and then you go to options, and then you can select JPEG to PPT, XL JPEG to XL. You can do Word, do JPEG, and that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.